Come here. It's okay. Come here. Come on. Dustin,
My
come
turn.
Come on.
Jacob, get up.
Jake, you gotta move.
Come on. Come on, Dustin. Over here. Come here. Come over here.
Jacob.
Come over here.
Yeah.
Jacob, move right now. I'm not gonna ask you again. You're fine. Get up.
Sit. What are you so nervous about?
That's old man.
What are you so nervous
Go, Jake.
Stay.
Move,
Stay.
Jacob. Let's go.
Stay.
Bug, come here.
Why are you shaking for?
Bug.
Something bad? Hey. No. Stop that.
Here comes Bug, Maddie.
You guys are flopping down. You're supposed to try to slide on it. You guys look like linebackers landing on that thing.
I know. Let her know, Maddie.
Jacob.
Jake, move.
I want to grab Bug.
I know. She'd probably like it. She's trying to slide on her own. Okay, go, Maddie, run.
Bug's gonna puke on me. No.
She's trying to take you guys out.
Stop. Stop. Move, Ray.
Maddie, watch out. Hurry up.
Didn't work.
Do it again.
No. Rosie.
Good job, Jake.
Nice.
Okay, move. Run, Jake, move. Hurry.
Go.
Okay, go, Maddie, go. You know, if we did that, we'd be so sore tomorrow.
Weeks, Jen.
I know, right?
Oh, my knee, my elbow, my back.
I know, my back's been out for 2 weeks.
He just knocked his dingleberry loose.
No, we were just saying, can you imagine us doing that? We'd be in pain for weeks.
Oh my
Now I
God.
felt my feet move.
My elbow, my neck, my back.
Go, Jake, go.
Mama, are you making a video?
Uh-huh.
Rosie's so worried that I'm
Did you end it yet?
Nope. Jake, move. Jake, when you're done, you need to get off. Don't be sitting there taking forever. Move it. Whoa, that was a good one, Maddie.
Bug!
You got a crack in your butt?
You see no salad bar?
She's like, oh my God, I don't know which one to eat next. They all do
Ready,
it, all
set,
the
go. Move, Jacob. Quit taking 18 days to get off of there.
Jacob.
It happens. There's duct tape. Whoa, Maddie. I know.
I thought the whole thing was she wants to try.